How to fix TikTok community guidelines violation problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right, here you will find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy in here. After that, simply scroll down in Settings and Privacy and click on Report a Problem. After you click on Report a Problem, you'll find different options. Click on Account and Profile. After you click on Account and Profile, click on Profile Page at the bottom. After you click on Profile Page, it will lead you to this page. Press on Other, which is the last option. And now at the bottom, click on Need More Help. After you click on Need More Help, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply explain your problem. You can simply copy what is shown on screen and send it. TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to fix TikTok community guidelines violation problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.